So what we're working on today, I have bought a dirt late model car. Why would I buy a dirt late model car? The reason I bought one is because here locally, they have tracks for these. There's like 3 within an hour. So to me, that's pretty good. And you know, during the week, if I have nothing to do on a weeknight, I can go race a dirt late model. So, I finally have a little bit of a voice. I can speak. And I started painting this car. I'm waiting on some graphics. It's looking like I'm going to probably go with Carpies or the logo guy of Van Anderson. I'm not really sure who I'm going with yet, but I definitely need some graphics. So if you guys know anyone that does graphics, hit me up. I could work out a deal with them or whatever. I need graphics. But yeah, so it is a B5M. I could have probably did a B6, but I don't really care. I'm gonna win anyway. Probably not, but I'm gonna try. But the car is super sick. It's a nice car. It's a light car. The body, I'm running a Jconcepts L8 body. This thing is really sick.
1 hour later.
Man, listen, I'm telling you, I smoked this paint job. It looks amazing. Generally, I don't do this good, but I guess with age comes experience. I don't know what you want me to say, but it definitely looks better. So what I'm going to do is I've got to put the wing on. And I'm probably going to wait to cut the wheel wells until I get a new set of wheels and tires, but I'm going to at least put the wing on. And yeah, so here we go. Alright, so as you can see, the car is done. It took a lot of finagling, and there's some parts that I could have done a little bit better, but the body looks really, really scale, which is really what I wanted to do this time. Make it look as scale as possible. The only thing I'm waiting on for is a battery strap and the tires that are for the track that I'll run mostly, and then let's see, battery strap, tires. Oh, and some graphics from Carpies. So I've got a deal with Carpies set up, and it should be a pretty good deal. Yeah, so waiting on that, and we should be in the game and ready to go. We'll do a test run, maybe in a second, or maybe in the next video, and yeah, it should be good though. I also went and raced this thing. So I also went and raced this thing yesterday. I did a really terrible job at getting footage like usual. And basically, I qualified terrible like always. Ended up in the main event driving all the way to third and finishing in third out of like 8, I think. Which is pretty awesome considering that was like my third race back. I promise the next time I go race this thing, the camera will be there and it'll be on my head. But this thing is really dirty. I've got the shocks loose. I've got to pull the engine and the tray off and get it cleaned up and just get everything together for the next race. So luckily everything's pretty good. I know that there's only, I think I had a few things come loose, but nothing too crazy. And yeah, we should be ready to go.